Hello Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po'y nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo dito, welcome din kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all. Aries, pauna mensahe po ninyo ay step into the spotlight. You have a message that the world needs to hear. It's time to share your wisdom. Okay? So, maaring calling na ito para sa inyo, Aries, to step into your purpose in life, no? At maaring ang mission ninyo sa ngayon is to share your wisdom, share your lessons learned in your life, no? Sa inyong life's journey sa ngayon. Kasi maaring ito yung pagkukuhanan ng lakas din ng ibang tao. Dito rin sila mai-inspire, dito rin matatouch ninyo yung buhay ng maraming tao, and you would be able to make a difference, no, sa buhay ng iba by sharing your wisdom, by sharing the lessons that you have learned in life. Your loved ones are safe. Let go of your fear and worry for your loved ones. I am looking after them. Yan ang promise sa inyo ni Archangel Michael. Kaya huwag kayong mag-alala kasi maybe you are worrying too much. You have fear and worry for your loved ones, pero hindi necessary, no? Sabi ni Archangel Michael, I am looking after them. Binabantayan nila. Binabantayan niya ang mga mahal mo sa buhay, kaya wala kang dapat na ikatakot. Wala kang dapat na ipag-alala. You're ready for more? Your career is growing and blossoming. Now is the time to make the changes you have been contemplating. Ayan, so siguro career move ito, no? Merong career move or maybe there is a career advancement happening dito for you, Aries. So congrats. You are protected. Ayan, you are safe within my bubble of light. You can proceed with confidence. See, mahal na mahal ka ni Archangel Michael, Aries. Hindi lang yung mga mahal mo sa buhay ang kanyang binabantayan, pati ikaw, ginagwardyahan ka, pinoprotektahan ka. No, binabalot ka ng kanyang bubble of light of protection. Kaya huwag kayong mag-alala, okay? I-release mo yung fear na yan, i-release mo yung worries na yan. Kasi there is guaranteed dito, no? There is guarantee na binabantayan ka, pinoprotektahan ka, ginagabayan ka ni Archangel Michael. Open up to your spiritual gifts. Remember that your true nature is spiritual and not physical. The angels are sending you messages to guide your soul's growth. No, so pay attention to that messages. No, maybe you're being sent intuitive messages. Maybe you're being sent signs, symbols, and synchronicities. No, to guide you. 'Di ba? Kung paano mo ina-navigate ang inyong soul's growth sa ngayon. Maaari din na kayo ngayon, you're going to step into your spiritual gifts na, 'di ba? Parang ito na yung panahon para i-embrace mo ang mga ito, at maaring yan din ang yung mga gift na yan ang gagamitin mo para ma-carry out mo din yung inyong mission ngayon sa buhay, no? The way forward is open. You're not trapped. Okay? Possibilities and opportunities abound. I will guide you to personal and spiritual freedom. Ayan. So, moving on, moving forward kayo, Aries. At gagabayan kayo ng universe, gagabayan kayo ni Archangel Michael on how you're going to navigate this, no? Pag move forward ninyo sa buhay. Maraming oportunidad ang ipapadala sa inyo dito na yun ang magagamit ninyo para makapag-move forward na kayo sa buhay, okay? What else? We have someone new is coming. Merong bagong taong paparating sa buhay ninyo. Maaaring ang iba sa inyo dito, baka bagong relationship na mabubuo ninyo with someone. Baka this is love or romantic relationship, or baka new friendship. Maybe you are building new friendship with someone, no? Aries, sabi dito, an important new relationship is on the horizon. Open your mind and heart so that happiness can enter your life. Okay? So, ayan, maaring pick up ko dito, kilig no? So, maaring merong pakilig dito, kaya most likely, romantic, no? Romantic an inclination ng energy na ito. Prioritize self-care. You do so much for others. It's time for you to experience the love you deserve and let others help you. Laging siguro inuuna ninyo ang ibang tao. Laging nasa number one priority ninyo ang pagtulong sa ibang tao. Pero yung sarili ninyong pangangailangan ay nakakalimutan ninyo or lagi lang siguro nasa huli. 'Di ba? Yung pag-aasikaso ninyo sa inyong sarili. But sabi dito, it's time for you to experience the love you deserve. Okay? So, gawin nyo naman ito para sa sarili din ninyo, Aries, no? While you are taking care of other people, while you are showing love for other people, wag din ninyong i-neglect yung sarili ninyo. Iparamdam nyo din yung pagmamahal at pag-aasikaso ninyo sa inyong sarili. Okay? Kasi deserve ninyo yan. Deserve ninyo self-love. Deserve ninyo yan. At saka, maaring meron din mga ibang tao dito na nag-o-offer sa'yo ng kung ano, tulong, suporta, or kung ano pa, no? At kailangan din ninyong i-allow sila na tulungan ka. Allow also other people to help you. Allow other people to love you. Allow other people to care for you. Kasi, hindi lang yon para sa'yo, para sa kanila din yon, di ba? When you allow other people to show their love for you, their concern for you, parang natutuwa din sila. In a way, tinutulungan mo din sila. No? Kasi inaalaw mo silang magawa din nila yon para sa'yo. Inaalaw mo din sila na magawa nilang magsuporta, tumulong, magmahal. Di ba? So, it's a two-way street, Aries. So, good luck. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste.